Right, come in and join us. We are showing you today our latest product. Zach has been working on this, and it is a Magsafe charger for the new Land Rover Defender, the 90, the 110, the 130. Actually, Zach, it won't fit if you haven't got the center console. If you've got that walk-through middle, tough luck. Turn off, don't watch this video. Right, for the rest of you, carry on watching. So this is a Magsafe charger holder. So this is a genuine Apple Magsafe. So if you don't know about Magsafe, they're cool, aren't they, Magsafe? So not only does it charge your phone wirelessly using witchcraft, right? Okay, it's also got a magnetic feature, and so it will actually hold your phone. As you can see, I'm demonstrating here. Look, it's not my phone. I don't need to worry. It's Zach's phone. Look, and it holds it. So we thought we're going to utilize this because it's really convenient when you get in the car if you can hold it. So right then, let's have a look. What has Zach designed? How does it fit? Let's look at the mechanical fitment first. And if you watch the end of the video, we'll explain some of the problems we've had designing this and challenges. So this is the product. You can see it here. So it is 3D printed using SLS printing. And it fits in so it's got this special profile at the top and the bottom. And it's designed to match the profile of this sort of lip edge here. And then you push it in at the top, and it snaps in, so it uses a natural spring to hold it in place. Okay, and that is going to hold our Magsafe. So let's have a look. So that's the mechanical fixing. So on all of these, you have got a USB-C port and a USB-A port. Now, we will talk about, you could have two of these. You could have his and hers, or his and his, or whatever these days. Right then. So you put that through there, and then the Magsafe fits in here, and it's a push fit. Now that's important, because if that was too sloppy, then when you lifted your phone off, the magnetic's trying to hold it and it would come out. So that's a tight fit, tight tolerance. And you can see on the back. Now when we first designed this, you end up with a load of cable that's sort of slapping around, and you go to plug that in, and we weren't really happy with that. So what we've designed is this little, what should we call this, Zach? Come up with a cunning name for this. The inner coil or something. So you can just wind it round, and the coil disappears almost as if by magic. And so it's going to leave us super neat, so we don't have loads of coil hanging about. Because all these Magsafe come with, seems like too long a thing really, doesn't it? But I guess everyone would moan if it was too short, wouldn't they? So we can then put that in the USB-C. Okay, clip that down there. Clip that top bit in. Okay, like so, and there we go. It still looks a bit weird. I can get a bit more in, I reckon. Okay, but you can see it's not dangling down, and then you can put your phone in, and you can see that is now charging, and it will hold your phone there. So ideal for a passenger, but you can also fit a second one, but you've only got one USB-C port. But as Zach pointed out, you could get a USB-C cigarette lighter adapter, and you could have two of these, and it doesn't get in the way of the gear stick. Obviously, if you're driving, you need to not be looking at your phone. Although it is ergonomically located, it's not supposed to be a secondary screen, but you can view it. Now, obviously, you have got the wireless charger here, but some people find that difficult to get the phone in and out. And some of the bigger phones, it is trickier to get your phone out. So in some ways, this is more ergonomic and convenient. No disrespect to Land Rover engineers, not trying to upset anyone here, are we, Zach? It's just our alternative. So, right. So there we go. That is it. Any questions, let us know in the comments below.
You can also do the old.
Oh, look at that. So if you're more of a landscape person or portrait, there you go. Look at that. Yes. And it should take the bigger phones. You've measured it, haven't you, Zach? And I know they always get bigger all the time, but Zach reckons he's done his study. Now, right, if you're interested in some of the iterations of design we had, one thing we've tried hard to do is to hide this wire. So the original version we had this bit here, because it's really thin. Oh, let's take this out. Whoosh! It's really thin here, and you'll see how close it gets. But I wasn't happy. I was moaning, wasn't I, Zach? I said, you can do better than that, Zach. I looked on Etsy and there was some Magsafe holders and you couldn't see this little tail. So I said, but the Magsafe has to stand proud. It has to, this surface has to be above so that your phone is in intimate contact. Now, a word of caution. If you've got some cases, the Magsafe doesn't work with some phone cases. So, but I don't think the Land Rover charger works with some phone cases, so we're not unique. So you saw how that there. So I asked Zach to thin it out in that area, and he did exactly as I asked him. He rose to the challenge, didn't you, Zach?
It still goes through the central hole.
It still goes. Oh yes. But we had some made. And where we got it quite thin, it's got a thin bit there, and you can just see it. But that was, so we have a batch of these. How many of these have we got, Zach?
25 of those.
We've got 25 of these, and we'll put a link in this video, and we will do these as a special offer. So a heavily discounted price for people who watch YouTube.
And there's 25 of the ones with
and there's 20, the ones I turn my nose up at.
Yeah, it's 25 of
there's
those
25
as well.
of those as well. So we'll put a link to these. So if you want a bargain, and you're not too worried about a little bit of white lead showing, go and grab a bargain off the website for you loyal YouTube video fan watchers who watch to the end. Right, are we done? Have we waffled enough, Zach? Well done, Zach. No, it's a good job. Let us know your thoughts. I'm just thinking about putting one of these here next. But we'll keep going. We love phone chargers. It's a part of modern life. We don't want anxiety because your phone's running out. We rely on them too much. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you later.